With drama, they all look forward for the classes, and each day it's like we don't have to work hard towards with the class control. They all are with me. So to look at the shift in the learners in terms of physical and in terms of their academic progress. So first, if we look at the physical aspect of drama for the learner, there were some students who have a lot of apprehensions of presenting themselves in front of the class. But of late, after 2-3 slots of drama sessions, they do not have apprehensions of becoming any animal or becoming a different gender, and they are more open to present themselves without any inhibitions. It has broadened their horizon in terms of thinking. Yeah. So teacher and role, again, when the teacher got into that role, the teacher could tap the child's creativity, and the child could add on to the story. So that really helped in creative building, story building. The entire EVS theme, be it plant kingdom, be it animal kingdom, through the magic box we can really think on a different tangent where the kids have so much to share. They visualize so many things using the magic box. We were supposed to give flashcards to the students, and they were supposed to be experts in their field. So this class were given pictures of different incident of a story. Immediately they took up the role of being a spy, being an inspector, being a storyteller in that class, and it went off really well. They came up with very good observations, being an expert. On a personal level, this drama sessions have really helped me to use my energy. I'm a very proactive person, I'm very loud in the class. So I think this has channelized my energy in a right sense. The facilitator of this program, that's Catherine, she is amazing. She is just amazing. Her small gesture, even that is so much of drama. So there's so much of takeaway from the ones who are participating in this program. That's one thing. Secondly, the inputs given by them whenever they have observed our lessons, they are really insightful, and they do not just give give suggestions which are not applicable. So looking at the strength of the class, they insisted that we look at the real life scenario and take classes as per the strength of the class. So ideally our strength of the class is 36, but earlier, to make our lessons very interesting and easygoing, we used to do it in 18-18. But the facilitators made it a point that let's look at the real picture and do it so that it's not, this program is being used by you on a regular basis. This time Kriti had come to observe lessons and give suggestions. She gave us so many options for the things which we could have altered in our lessons. So that was really nice. So it's not that we have only one thing for line by line poem. We have 10 things in our hand to do instead of this line by line or any other activity. As a facilitator for my drama classes, well of hands really work well as a checkpoint for me. So for example, if I have done any EVS concept, after the activity we make them stand in a circle and we do this well of hands activity where they share one keyword related to the topic done. So if it's plant, it can be chlorophyll, plant, roots, taproot, fibrous root, it can be anything. So with that one word, it can be my first checkpoint or the assessment part, which can be easily done through a playway.